So again, on customization and styles, you've got everything from a nice deep embossing, and then again, something that's smooth and painted, all the way to something that's a little more subtle and rounded off to give it a traditional wood look. And for example, this is our oak graining, and one of the nicest looking oak grainings in the entire fiberglass market or door market. And then again, you've got other things, for example, where we can do a cherry graining with a stain a little bit darker, or do a mahogany graining with a little lighter grain. We can even go as far as if you picked a Sherwin Williams paint color, let's say you picked pumpkin orange, and we can turn around and take that code and custom paint our doors for your home.